Hello everyone, happy October 8th. Today we celebrate octopuses, heroes, and the joy of baking bread. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's World Octopus Day, a fascinating celebration of one of the ocean's smartest creatures. A great gift could be an octopus plushie, a marine biology book, or a sea-themed puzzle. 8 arms or 8 charms. Let's dive into the comments. Next, it's National Heroes Day, a powerful tribute to everyday champions and brave souls. A thoughtful gift could be a hero-themed journal, a thank you card set, or a donation to a frontline charity. Who's your personal hero? Let's honor them below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Bake Bread Day, a warm celebration of homemade loaves and cozy kitchens. A tasty gift could be a sourdough starter kit, a bread-making class pass, or a personalized breadboard. What's your favorite kind of bread? Let's rise in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 6th to 10th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.